Hello everyone, it's Frances with Your Book of Memories. I've got a brand new project to share with you all. I am super excited about this because I did use the brand new paper by Echo Park. Hello Baby, It's a Boy. Gorgeous, gorgeous paper. I do have a tutorial on my website now for this project. Okay, so very super easy. Again, the way my tutorials work is you buy it, you get every single part of the tutorial, okay? All the parts, and the cut list is downloadable, as well as the video itself on the website. That way you can view it offline at your crops and things like that, okay? Let me know what you think about this book, because I did mix and match like different pages from another book, and I'm making this tutorial based on the one that I had no tutorial on. So that was the Stamperia Baby Girl. So I recreated it to work even nicer, and I wanted to show you guys how to make it. So, oh my God, I'm so excited. Right here, I just have some regular white cardstock, went around with the journaling pen, and it was actually just a regular ballpoint pen. Left it open so you can stick a 3.5 by 5 photo right inside there. And then here are some of the stickers. That's all I used, okay? That's all I used. Look at this. There was a sticker sheet, cardstock sticker sheet, right? So many images on here. You will not be disappointed with this paper collection. Unbelievable. I got it at scrapbook.com. And then we've got 3x4 cut aparts, 4x4, and 4x6, and a couple 2x2s or 1.5 by 1.5. Oh my gosh, unbelievable. We've got some buttons out of my stash, as well as this lace. This was actually from the Dollar Tree, and this I got from, oh my goodness, one of my friends, so thank you so much. And this is like a 1/4 inch satin, like, it's got like this little stitch design in it. It's super cute. And then I wrapped this, okay, around. This is unbelievable. Okay, so very simple. Let's go ahead and open this up, okay? Oh my gosh, it's so much fun. You can hold, oh geez, probably over 50 photos in here, and it comes together in a day or two. So right here on the front inside cover, I created like this small little area here. It's almost like a little album in itself. So there was one of the cut apart pages, and I kind of layered it up. I show you how to do that. I attached some ribbon right here. These are magnetic. Okay, that opens up. We have 4x6 photo spots. Look at the super cute little mushrooms. And then places for photos there. We have a place for journaling right here. Beautiful sentiment, unbelievable. This opens up to the left, and then it reveals this little loose flap right here, the little hot air balloon, hello world. That opens up, and then we've got spaces right here, a little corner pocket. Beautiful. I love this sticker sheet. I just made that kind of look like a little nursery. Oh my God, is that not the most adorable thing? Okay, this is a 4x6 cut apart right there, and then here's an insert with a beautiful tab on there. Wonderful. Love the little squirrel. Got some journaling lines right there, as well as some stickers. See the way you can customize this? I used 2 packs of paper, okay? 2 packs of paper. That was it. That's all I needed. Now right here is the first page. It's kind of like this 3/4 of a page right here, and it's got a little tiny waterfall. Super little cute cut apart right there, and I used the 4x4 cut aparts, cut them down a little bit to fit on here. Beautiful photo spaces on there, as well as right here with that adorable lion. And then we've got this. Couple stickers, some journaling lines, customized. That is a little secret pocket right there. I bet you didn't see that coming, did you? Okay, so you flip the page, a couple photo spots right there. Love this sloth. This is more like, I mean, you could even journal right here. This is kind of a big little sticker right there, but you could do whatever you want. Big, little, how about that? We've got this, okay, adorable onesie. I wish I was a baby again, it's so cute. And look at this, beautiful, excellent, folds down. Okay, this is an album you can make. If you've never made one, this is one that you can do. Okay, anyone can do this. All it takes is just a couple steps. I got a sticker on there. I've got cut aparts in here. Beautiful. And you can customize this any way you wish. You can even have some fussy cut or cut down photographs to just fit in there for extra little space. Here's an insert, side pocket. Okay, it's an on-page pocket. Adorable. Just adorable. 4x6 photos, perfect fit on these inserts. Okay, and there's actually a large insert from this whole page right here. So I just layered some stuff up. And that just goes right back in there, and I designed these pages to lay quite flat. So beautiful, it doesn't get too bulky on you. Oh my, that's probably my favorite sticker out of the entire paper collection right there. Along with, you know what, I think they're all my favorite. Okay, picture spaces, super beautiful punch right here. Little decorative pocket. I mean, look at that. We've got an assortment, okay? Beautiful. Little teepee, little sleeping fox. And again, this is a large pocket page, so I've got this back here. Okay, tons of photos can fit in here. Unbelievable. We've got a little tuck spot right here. These slide out. Super cute little stickers right there. Oh my gosh, I love it. And then we've got this awesome magnetized big pouch right back here. Okay, beautiful. I'll show you how to make this. Got some ribbon pull tab on there. And then this expands, so it's an expandable pocket. I've got the leftover stickers. This is another wonderful thing to do if you're gifting it. You can go ahead and keep that parchment paper that the stickers originally came on. You stick them up on there. Look at this, our new arrival, gotta have that information. And for the recipient, another great idea, keep the stickers on there and they can stick them where they want them, wherever the photos end up being. Isn't that adorable? Oh my goodness. I'll have the tutorial link down below to my website so you can get started with me. Thank you everyone so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.